quick learn, for easy learn. So this is, we are going to do the simple introduction of trigonometry. So in trigonometry, if this is a right angle triangle and A, B, C, and this is 90 degree, so this one will be the hypotenuse, and this is the base, and this is the perpendicular. We can also call this as, this is, if there is an angle here theta, so for this will be the opposite side, and this will be the adjacent side. Adjacent means nearby side. So this is adjacent side. You can say this one as P by B. You can use word P and B also, or opposite side and adjacent side, whatever you wish. So sine theta, value of theta. Sine of theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. And here opposite side is AB. So AB upon AC. Now cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon my hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC upon hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And what is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse upon adjacent side by hypotenuse. These both hypotenuse will cancel out. Opposite side by hypotenuse and adjacent side upon hypotenuse. This hypotenuse will cancel out. Now answer is opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. That is, opposite side is AB upon BC. Okay. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. You understood? Now one more thing. Sin theta is equal to what is cosec theta? Total 6 types are there. So cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is all reciprocal of this one. That is hypotenuse of upon opposite side. And what is sec theta? That is 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta. That is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And what is next one is cot theta. Cot theta means 1 by tan theta. That is 1 by tan theta means adjacent side upon opposite side. Okay. That means in simplified way we can say sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. If you know sin theta and cos theta, it's very easy to know all the other angles. That is tan theta is equal to sin upon cos. Sin theta upon my cos theta. That is opposite side upon adjacent side. And what is next? Sin theta. If you know sin theta, then cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. That is hypotenuse upon opposite side. And what is next one is sec theta. That is equal to reciprocal of cos theta. That is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Now cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or you can say cos theta upon my sin theta. That also you can say. That is adjacent side upon opposite side. So reciprocal of sin theta cosec theta, reciprocal of cos theta sec theta, reciprocal of tan theta cot theta. Tan theta is one more sign is one more formula is sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. If you know, you can, it's very easy for you to find the ratio of anyone. For this one, if it is theta, this you have to find. This will be opposite side, this will be the adjacent side. And if this theta is here, then this will be the opposite side, this will be the adjacent side. The side which is near to this angle is adjacent side, and this opposite is the opposite side. So if here is the angle, this will be the opposite side, and this will be the adjacent side. If here is the angle, this will be the opposite side, this will be the adjacent side. Hope you find the video very useful. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.